welcome to my channel, Inspired Birdie, for another Plan With Me series. If you're new to my channel, I do a Plan With Me every single Sunday for the Happy Planner, but this is really just to be fun and inspirational for you and give you guys ideas. So any planner you use will do. So let's get started. I'm not going to show you all of the images that I'm working with. You can see them as I go through the process of making my layout. So this is for the week of July 9th, and these are the pictures that I was inspired by. These three pictures here, which I found off of Pinterest, and it just gave me the idea that I wanted to do a layout this week that really was towards women and the empowerment of women, the beauty of women, regardless of anything, really anything at all, how you look, race, religion, anything at all. So just to empower women, the beauty of every single person inside and out, and that's what inspired me to do this theme this week. So this is kind of like an empowered woman week. I don't really know what to name this theme, but I just have a lot of fun images that I captured off of Google and Pinterest that I want to use. But these are the three that really inspired me. I just thought they were so beautiful. I love the art of these photos, just so gorgeous, and that's what inspired me. Now, not all my images look like this whatsoever, and you'll see that as I go through. So let's get started. Actually, before we get started, I'll show you the washi I'm going to use. So this is what I want to use this week. Sorry if that's a little glary. So these two thin ones on the end are from AliExpress. The gold in the middle is from the dollar store, and this one here is from Michaels. I'm just trying to focus here. It's upside down. So this is from Michaels. I love this one so much. All right, so let's get started. I hope you guys enjoy this theme.
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto her phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go. down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be caller unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never